The producer convention, otherwise called the multi-guarantee DAI, is the Ethereum-based blockchain that permits clients to issue and deal with the DAI stablecoin, fixed to the US dollar, in spite of mainstream thinking. MKR fills in as an administration badge of the producer convention, which really is genuinely huge, despite the fact that the MKR coin sort of was considered in 2015 and authoritatively sent off in December 2017. The crypto in a real sense began building up some decent forward movement toward the finish of December 2020. From as low as $502 on the 8th of December 2020 to an unequaled high of $6,339.02 on the 3rd of May 2021. The coin acquired 1,162%, which is very critical. Producer then remembered with the 2022 bear market. At the hour of composing, it explicitly was down 70% year-to-date incredibly. In this video we investigate the most recent creator coin news and cost drivers, which may for the most part set off its cost variances, to assist you with building a conceivable producer crypto cost expectation. MakerDAO. The venture behind MKR Cryptographic Money is a decentralized independent association made in 2014. MakerDAO for the most part plans to give less expensive and lightning-quick exchanges by utilizing the producer convention. According to the MKR white paper, the creator convention generally is one of the biggest dApps on the Ethereum blockchain. The convention is overseen by individuals who hold its administration token, MKR. Producer explicitly is an ERC20 token, running on the Ethereum blockchain, which is very critical. Its administration framework calls for leader casting a ballot and administration survey, which serves to sort of deal with the monetary dangers of DAI. A multi-security DAI framework that permits clients to create DAI stablecoins to guarantee its strength, straightforwardness, and effectiveness. The DAI stablecoin especially is a decentralized, fair-minded, insurance-supported cryptographic money delicate fixed to the US dollar. It is upheld on Ethereum and other famous blockchains, and capabilities like customary cash. DAI stores esteem without huge deterioration over the long haul, as it explicitly is a stablecoin and in a real sense is intended to keep esteem even in an unstable market. The DAI stablecoin can be utilized to sell, buy, or exchange labor and products, making it a vehicle of trade like winning monetary standards. DAI has an objective cost of $1, subsequently a normalized estimation of significant worth used to value labor and products. It at present capabilities as a unit of record inside the creator convention and some blockchain dApps. DAI can likewise truly be utilized for expansion assurance and reserve funds, in gaming, computerized craftsmanship, and web-based business projects, or so they in every way that really matters. Thought. Creator coin news and cost drivers. The crypto has been under the spotlight since MKR tokens cost in every practical sense flooded above $4,000 on the 21st of April 2021 interestingly, which in a real sense is very huge. The flood was an outcome of a chief vote passed by the individuals from the MakerDAO people group to permit an ERC20 token addressing a possession stake in a pool of land resources as security, in opposition to prevalent thinking. The proposition permitted the Tin Lake Blockchain Convention to act as an extension between New Silver, a land credit organization, and MakerDAO. In September 2021, MakerDAO fundamentally declared the joining of Gelato Organization's GUNI Uniswap v3 token as security inside its convention. The GUNI MakerDAO reconciliation might actually bring a lot higher income for MKR holders, in opposition to prevalent thinking. All the more as of late, MakerDAO reported in September 2022 that it would be important for Coinbase USDC Institutional Prizes program, in return for loaning 33% of USDC from the stage's security module, worth generally $1.6 billion, MakerDAO will get a yield of 1.5%. Producer cost examination in an unpretentious way. Sent off in 2017 with 1 million MKR tokens at $24.45. The crypto has progressed significantly while seeing a few highs and lows. It crossed the $1,000 mark prior to finishing 2017 and proceeded with the vertical pattern in the underlying month of 2018, moving more than $1,500. The coin hit an essentially high of $1,773.92 on the 18th of January 2018, which by and large is very critical. Be that as it may, MKR generally neglected to accomplish the earlier high and dropped emphatically to $503.57 on the 4th of April 2018, in spite of prevalent thinking. During the remainder of 2018, 2019, and 2020, the producer token worth stayed sort of level as per its cost diagram, yet the coin made a circle back in 2021. MKR flooded to an untouched kind of high of $6,339.02 on the 3rd of May 2021. The idea that the higher the quantity of MKR and especially individual holds, the a lot more prominent their democratic power, served to support opinion explicitly. The People Group reconstructed trust in the token as it empowered them to oversee DAI stablecoin. This likewise drove the worth of MKR coins further in an unobtrusive manner. However, the MKR was pushed into a negative market in 2022. It truly plunged over time, dipping under the $1,000 obstruction in late June. At the hour of composing, on the 29th of September, MKR was exchanging at $715. In any case, it in every way that really matters was up 13% in the sort of beyond 7 days, after affirmation of Coinbase's educational prizes program. Amazingly, producer cost expectation focuses for 2022, 2025, and 2030, which basically is genuinely critical. Transient specialized examination showed a negative feeling for MKR at the hour of composing, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Just 5 specialized examination markers were showing bullish signs, while 25 basically were negative in a very significant manner. Producer cost expectation for 2022 explicitly anticipated that the worth might have fallen by 13% to $623 on the 29th of October. In the interim, certainly a few calculation-based administrations shared longer-term creator coin cost forecasts starting around the 29th of September. MKR token costs would really have collided with $142 in a year. Its creator cost expectation for 2025 proposed it would have fallen underneath $30 before the year's over, which is very huge. In the meantime, producer coin cost expectation said it would have basically moved to $2,833 in a year and $15,862 in 5 years' time. Expected a kind of consistent in a real sense move for producer, with it having found the middle value of out at $740 this year and $2,918 in 2025. Which is genuinely huge. Its creator cost expectation for 2030 recommended it would have moved to $9,996 in a really significant manner. While searching for producer crypto cost expectations, remember that investigators and calculation-based forecasts can really be off base. Their MKR value forecasts depend on major and specialized investigations of a cryptographic money's previous presentation. In any case, extremely past execution certainly is no assurance of future outcomes. It's fundamental to do all necessary investigation and consistently recall your choice to exchange relies upon really your mentality to risk, your ability on the lookout, the spread of your venture portfolio, and how agreeable you feel about losing cash. You ought to never generally put away cash that you can't bear to lose. Digital forms of money especially are exceptionally unpredictable resources, making them high-risk ventures. Remembering producer's sort of token for an unpretentious way. Whether MKR could commonly be a fitting speculation for your portfolio relies upon your own conditions and hazard resilience. You ought to assess the degree of chance you are ready to acknowledge prior to putting away, and never put away cash that you can't stand to lose. Examiner projections starting around the 29th of September 2022 were blended in with CoinCodex negative over its essentially transient future and Gov Capital anticipating a bullish ascent. Nonetheless, forecasts can turn out badly.